Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You will start immediately. Power on the phone and confirm the SIM is seated. Open Settings and tap About Phone or About Device. This area holds the identifiers you need. Once there, locate IMEI, SIM status, and current network operator fields. Make sure to write down the IMEI exactly, because you'll use it to verify carrier ownership later. If multiple SIM slots exist, check each slot's SIM status so you don't assume the wrong line. Next, tap Status or SIM status to see the operator name, signal, and roaming state. This tells you who the device is currently registered with. Then go to Network Operators and choose Search Networks to surface available carriers. That can reveal whether the SIM locks to one provider. Also record MCC and MNC codes shown. They map to specific carriers and are vital for final verification. If the displayed operator differs from expectations, keep a note for troubleshooting. Finally, verify carrier ownership by using the IMEI or recorded MCC/MNC with your carrier's support or an authorized lookup tool. This confirms whether the phone is locked or sold by that provider. Once done, test with a known different carrier SIM to confirm unlock status and compatibility. If the phone connects, it's not locked. If things go wrong, check APN settings, reset the SIM, and ensure the device firmware is up to date before contacting carrier support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.